Hello, we are Beginner's Byte, and today we are going to learn about changing decimal numbers to binary numbers. I'm here with Max.
Hey Linus, before we even start with binary, can I ask something super basic?
Sure, go for it.
My question is, what exactly is decimal number? I mean, we use it every day, but why is it called decimal?
Great question. It's called decimal number because it's based on 10 digits, 0 to 9.
Okay, but why 10?
Because humans have 10 fingers, our number system is literally based on how we started counting on our hands.
Seriously? So we count in base 10 because of our fingers?
Exactly. Now imagine if we were computers.
What? Like we would only have two fingers?
Yep, computers only count in with 2 digits, zeros and ones. That's called binary. Before we dive in, if you are learning something new or just love nerdy stuff like this,
Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.
alright, let's do this. Alright, Max, let's take a number, let's say 13. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it into binary. Here's the trick. We divide the number by 2 and write down the remainder each time. Do you remember I said computers have 2 fingers? That's why we divide it by 2. Let's go step by step. 13 divided by 2 is 6. The remainder is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3 and remainder is 0. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and remainder is 1. 1 divided by 2 equals to 0 and remainder is 1. When you divide a number and it equals to 0, that's how you know when to stop. Now we read the remainder from the bottom to top. 1, 1, 0, 1. So 13 in binary is 1101.
Wait, that's it? Just divide it by 2 and write down remainders?
Exactly. Divide, write down the remainder, and read bottom to top. That's it. That's binary for you.
That's actually kind of fun. Can we try another?
Of course, but this time you try.
Okay, Linus, my turn. I pick 65. Let's see if I got this right.
Nice choice, Max. Alright, what's the first step?
So I should divide 65 by 2 and write down the remainder. Now, 65 divided by 2 is 32. Remainder 1. We now write 1. Then 32 divided by 2 is 60. Remainder is 0. 60 divided by 2 is 8. Remainder is 0. We write 0. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Remainder is 0. So we write again 0. 4 divided by 2 is 2 and the remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and the remainder is 0 again. And 1 divided by 2 is 0. The remainder is 1.
Well done, Max. How would you read that though?
Okay, I would read this from bottom to top. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
So 65 is
1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
boom! You nailed it! That's perfect, Max.
Okay, I'm starting to feel like a computer now.
Alright, now it's your turn. Try converting 135 into binary using the same steps that Max just did. Divide by 2, write down the remainders, and read them from bottom to top.
And please don't cheat. Do the math yourself.
When you have gotten the answer, drop it in the comments below. We will check it for you.